thank you for showing up in my channel today. My name is Marcelina, and in today's video I'll be cooking together with you a very simple and yet nutritious soup. So if you love watching cooking videos, do join this community by tapping on your subscription button and turn on your notification bell as well, so that every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. If you love eating healthy, remember to give this video a like and watch as I explore how to cook this nutritious soup and also share the benefits of this soup together with you. And if you're in your journey to weight loss, this is a wonderful recipe for you. It's very simple for you to make and very available in our communities. Growing up, this was a delicacy in our traditional meals, and up to date I still enjoy this soup and it has done me amazing.
Having said all that, let's walk and go and cook this amazing vegetable soup. And you know what it is? Pumpkin leaves, guys, together with mushroom. This is a very nice vegetable soup. You will love it.
And pumpkin leaves are very healthy since they are rich in vitamins. They are packed with antioxidants, and these are really very good for detoxing your body, improving on your heart health, and also to boost your immunity. This is very good. Simply preparing this because it is a healthy meal for the whole family. Just want to turn them over so they can get really nicely. So over here I have a piece of mushroom. This is our local mushrooms. These ones grow in the wild or in the bushes. So we are going to chop it up and add it there. So this stump is a bit stained because this was what was underground, but it's very nutritious. So I'm not just going to chop it and throw it away. We are going to peel it, and then we cook the inside clean part. So these are a lot of nutrients that I could have thrown away. So I just can't throw anything away. I'm just going to chop it into tiny pieces. Like this. You can see these pieces, they are edible. And then we are going to add them into our pumpkin leaves. It adds in there some nice crunchy feel when you're eating, and also it tastes very nice. These natural mushrooms are very sweet and tasty. They have a very good taste and they spice up the pumpkin leaves nicely. So don't forget to like my video because this really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. And also I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers. Be part of the people helping me out to reach 1,000 subs. and also support me and watch my videos. In this channel I do a lot of DIY videos, and I also love cooking traditional meals like these ones. So if you love eating healthy, eating traditional meals, this is a place that you should always come and find very simple recipes for you. We don't need to complicate anything here. It's simply a meal that should provide nutrition. You don't need to train to be a chef to make this. Pumpkin leaves and mushroom. Mushroom has immune boosting properties and cancer fighting properties as well. So if you're fighting cancer, if you're struggling with low immunity, if you're struggling with hypertension, these are healthy meals for you to make. So our meal is even almost ready. So we don't have to cook it a lot. Let me just clear this off. And I come back. Simply cover it up and allow it to cook. That is it. This is my container for juice. Let me just clear it off. So my people, this is how we do it here. The aroma is so nice. It smells so sweet. I feel like eating it now. So we are going to reduce the heat and allow our pumpkin leaves to simmer on low heat. We want the mushroom to get ready. This is salt, and we are going to add in and give it a very good stir. And we allow it to cook until it's ready on low heat. My people, this meal is too delicious for me to miss it out. So I simply have to eat it right at the kitchen. So let's enjoy. I will have my pumpkin leaves and have my fruits for dinner. That's a very healthy meal for me. So my people, this is too delicious. This is so nice. The mushrooms taste really very good, and the pumpkin leaves are so nice. This is just a tip for all women who are pregnant. This soup is very good for you, especially if your pregnancy disturbs you and you can't eat. Try making this soup. You will love it. So, guys, this is so nice. I did not only prepare it for a video for you, but I also prepared it to eat. So thank you for eating with me the pumpkin leaves. So we are going to eat the fruits as well. We have here some mangoes, pineapple, and watermelon. So let me first start with the pineapple. This is really nice. This is what everybody should be eating on daily basis. This is very healthy. If you're on a journey to weight loss, this is the way to go as well. This is so good. And with mango. So this is a very nice dinner for me. I'll wake up when I feel light enough, energetic, freshened up. Yeah.